Hi students, I am Miss Dakshita from Bhagat Ram Vidyapeeth. Topic: Properties of different elements. Today, we are going on an elemental journey, quite literally, exploring what makes each chemical element unique, how they behave, and why they matter in our daily lives, from the gold that decorates a wedding ring to the silicone in your smartphone. By the end of this lecture, you'll see elements not just as abstract symbols on the periodic table but as vibrant characters shaping technology, nature, and culture around us. Definition of an element. An element is a pure substance composed of only one kind of atom, distinguished by its atomic number, the number of protons in its nucleus. This means that hydrogen, atomic number 1, is fundamentally different from helium, atomic number 2, purely due to that proton difference. Think of elements as musical notes in an orchestra. Each note has a distinct pitch, protons, and tone, atomic structure. When combined, these notes form the rich symphony of compounds we encounter. Atoms of the same element share identical chemical properties. For example, every atom of oxygen, O, wants to bonds to complete its valence shell, making it a universal partner in countless chemical reactions, including respiration and combustion. Remember, you cannot break an element into simpler substances by chemical means. To transmute one element into another, you'd need nuclear reactions akin to changing the very core of an atom, something we accomplish only in nuclear reactors or particle accelerators. Key features of elements. Elements share several defining features that guide their behavior. Atomic number, Z, determines the element's identity and position in the periodic table. Atomic mass, a sum of protons and neutrons, affects isotopic stability and abundance. Electron configuration. Distribution of electrons in shells dictates chemical reactivity. Valence electrons, electrons in the outermost shell, they're the ones forming bonds. Isotopes, variants of an element with the same Z but different neutron counts, influencing nuclear properties and natural occurrence. Natural abundance, how plentiful an element is on Earth or in the universe. Crystal structure, in the solid state, atoms arrange in patterns, cubic, hexagonal, etc., shaping the element's physical traits. Examples of elements. Let's ground our discussion with a few everyday elements. Hydrogen, H, the lightest and most abundant element in the universe, fueling stars through nuclear fusion. Carbon, C, the backbone of organic life, forms diamonds, graphite, and limitless organic molecules. Iron, Fe, core of our planet and backbone of steel, essential for blood oxygen transport in hemoglobin. Gold, our inert, malleable, and lustrous, treasured in jewelry and electronics for its conductivity. Silicon, see the semiconductor superstar powering modern electronics and solar cells. Overview of elemental properties. When comparing elements, we often look at two broad categories of properties: physical properties, characteristics you can observe or measure without changing the element's identity. O, appearance, density, melting boiling points, conductivity, malleability, and crystalline structure. Chemical properties. Characteristics that describe how an element interacts or transforms in chemical reactions. Or reactivity with acids and bases, oxidation states, electronegativity, and tendency to form specific compounds. Understanding these properties helps chemists predict an element's behavior in reactions, select materials for engineering applications, and even design new medicines. Metals' physical properties. Metals occupy the left and center blocks of the periodic table. Their hallmark traits include luster, shiny, reflective surfaces when polished. Malleability, can be hammered or rolled into thin sheets, think aluminum foil. Ductility, can be drawn into wires, copper in electrical wiring. High thermal and electrical conductivity, delocalized electrons allow heat and charge flow. Density and strength, many metals like iron and tungsten are dense and robust. Crystalline solid structure, typically, a close-packed arrangement of atoms in cubic or hexagonal lattices. Chemical properties. Chemically, metals tend to lose electrons easily, form positive ions, cations, in reactions such as form basic oxides. Many metal oxides, like NaO, react with water to give basic solutions, NaOH. Corrosion and reactivity. Some metals like iron rust in oxygen and water, others like gold resist corrosion. Alloy formation, mix with other metals or nonmetals to form alloys, steel, bronze, brass, with tailored properties. For example, iron's reactivity with oxygen leads to rust, FeO.NHO, while its alloy with carbon, steel, becomes the backbone of construction. Nonmetals' physical properties. Nonmetals are found in the upper right of the periodic table. Their physical traits usually contrast metals' dull appearance, except iodine, which has a metallic sheen. Brittleness, if solid cannot be drawn into wires or hammered into sheets. Graphite is a notable exception. Poor conductivity, insulators of heat and electricity. Varied states, gases, oxygen, nitrogen, liquids, bromine, and solids, carbon, sulfur, at room temperature. Lower densities compared to metals. Imagine chalk, calcium carbonate, crumbling on a board. That fragility is the hallmark of a non-metallic solid. Chemical properties. Chemically, nonmetals exhibit distinct behaviors, gain or share electrons, form negative ions, anions, or covalent bonds, e.g. Cl plus CCl. Acidic oxides. Oxides like co-dissolve in water to form acids, carbonic acid. High electronegativity, tend to attract electrons in bonds. Variable reactivity. Fluorine is exceptionally reactive. Noble gases like neon are famously inert. Water formation, co-respiration, and the redox chemistry of sulfur are daily reminders of nonmetal reactivity. Examples: oxygen, O gas vital for life, forms oxides with nearly every other element. Nitrogen, N major component of air. Key to amino acids and fertilizers. Sulfur, S yellow, crystalline solid, used in matches, vulcanizing rubber, and sulfuric acid. Chlorine, Cl greenish gas, disinfects water and forms many salts. Carbon, C as graphite and diamond, extreme contrasts in hardness and conductivity. Each nonmetal plays a starring role, from sustaining life to powering industry. Metalloids, semi-metals, physical properties. Metalloids straddle the metal-nonmetal divide along the periodic staircase. Their hallmark physical traits include intermediate conductivity. Semiconductors conduct electricity better than insulators but worse than metals. Semiconducting behavior. Conductivity increases with temperature. Appearance, often metallic luster but brittle like nonmetals. Variable crystal structures, from gray, shiny silicon crystals to more complex forms in arsenic. Picture a silicon wafer in a clean room. Its sheen belies the brittle, crystalline structure underneath. Chemical properties and reactions. Metalloids can behave like either group based on conditions, form amphoteric oxides. Silicon dioxide, CO, is acidic in water but reacts with bases to form silicates. Variable oxidation states. Boron typically +3, antimony varies between +3 and +5. Covalent network structures. Silicon and germanium form giant covalent networks, lending hardness and heat resistance. Their dual personality makes metalloids indispensable in electronics and glass making. Examples: boron, B-hard, black-brown metalloid, used in borosilicate glass and detergents. Silicon, C foundation of semiconductors and silicon polymers. Germanium, G early transistor material, now niche infrared optics. Arsenic, as toxic but important in alloys and semiconductors. Antimony, Sp flammable in air, used in flame retardants and lead alloys. These elements bridge chemistry's dichotomy and spark modern technologies from computing to specialty glass. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click subscribe, like and ring that bell. Fresh contents always on the way. Thanks for being with us.